AUN has already made a name in Nigeria. We know the quality, and then we know the capacity of the university to deliver. And it's the dream of many of us to keep sending our children to this university where there's quality learning. And I'm very happy today that my niece is recorded as one of the graduates of this university. It was a very beautiful, well-organized occasion, right from the dinner of yesterday and to today. And I'm very, very impressed. I'm very happy with the organization. I'm very happy with what I have seen on ground, the infrastructure, even the way that the students relate. They relate like family. And this is what is fascinating me. This is what is making me happy and looking forward to sending my own daughter to come and do masters.